Many people are interested in what we're doing out in the field at this point in time. We actually go through the vineyards at least 6 times by hand every season in order to get the best quality. One of the things that we would be doing right now is post-veraison, when we actually have the colored fruit, is we look for green clusters. We call it green thinning. And what we're trying to do is remove the clusters that are actually behind in maturity. And sometimes we're also taking off what's called second crop. These are clusters that come out as a secondary form that are on lesser shoots that we don't want. Many times it's left behind because it's up out of the actual fruit zone and the pickers don't take it. But if it's down in the fruit zone, we want to get it off so it doesn't get accidentally picked and throw off the quality of our wine. You can see here that we have actual well-formed clusters of Pinot Noir that have completed veraison. You can see the nice dark color. It's a really tight cluster, almost like a little grenade, with a varying size of berries. They're very small, which gives you the nice intensity of flavor and the color that we get in the wine. It's very important. You can see here that we actually have a cluster that's completely green. This is what we would want to take off. It's up a little higher, it's on a lesser shoot that's up high, and we would actually just take that off because it doesn't belong there. It'll eventually color up, you can see it's beginning to, but it's much, much further behind than the crop that's here down below in the actual fruit zone. So we try to pull those clusters off and we throw them on the ground. You can see another one here that's hanging out on a weak shoot. We just want to get rid of that and throw it on the ground. The key is to get the absolute best quality, balanced fruit we can. And by taking off this fruit that's tapping energy and also could be picked in with the regular crop that we don't want, we try to go through and thin that stuff off.